Hello friends, here's my breakfast. Today I made overnight oats with chia seeds. It is very nutritious and delicious. Let's taste it.